in this video, I will show you how to repurpose your flat twist. Hello, my name is Glo-Mary and I talk about everything beauty on this channel. If you are just joining, welcome and we hope you join us. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment so we can know that you are now a community member. So guys, I'm not going to lie, this year I didn't know it was going to give me so much headache while losing it. I thought it was just going to be something I'll just blah 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 and then I'm done. Guys, I spent like almost 1 hour trying to lose this hair, but that's not the point of this video. So this course is what we are going to be using to create the magic. I'm not going to comb it out. That course, that definition is exactly what we need. So I'm just going to divide this hair into two. Guys, whatever you see at the end of this video, don't talk about the pattern. If I hear pim in the comment section, I will take you out of this community, okay? So you can, this thing is self-explanatory. I will just put the top up like that and that back. You can see, please, if you comb it, there's nothing we are repurposing again, no, so please don't comb it out. Once you comb it like this, tie has finished in here, okay? So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to dress it, use water on my, because I want the twist to be actually fluffy, so I'm going to add water so that it can have more volume, and the girl is gone. It's gone out like that. You see, you just do your edges, no parara, no stress. Natural hair is so easy, no stress. Just know what your hair like and want and just ride with it, guys. And you see, I want to turn. Look at the curls, look at the everything is just sengemenge, If I hear pim about that pattern at the back, I don't want to hear anything in the comment section, okay? Look at that girl. So let's go to number 2. You see this second style, the way I have imagined it in my head. The way I have imagined it and the way it eventually turned out, I look like a baddie. It's saying they enter me, they do me jinky. So I used bobby pin to the rescue, but you see, the cause is actually what is making sense. All you need is your hand, some water and the bobby pins. Guys, you are about to see something that will blow your mind. I'm not even joking, I'm not even kidding. If I go out like this, especially if I'm in Lagos, and all those agbero guys look at me and I want to do one kind way to me. If I look at them with one eyes like this, this one is not playing you. She's a baddie kind of girl. Did you see the baddie look? Honestly, I can't get over this. Guys, I don't even know why my energy is like this today. I don't know why I'm so excited. But did you see what I am talking about? Slow. And you see, this style took me maybe like 5. You see that this video is not even long. That shows it's a very simple thing to do. Just think of repurposing your what's it called, your flat twist or your twist one time like that and enjoy guys. So if you are new here, we do this thing where we share a Bible verse to encourage ourselves in every long form video. And so guys, here is the verse of the day. If you have nice comments, you can go ahead and put it in the comment section. But if you want to say something that is not nice or you want to talk about that pattern, don't try me. That like button is there so that you can use it. So use the like button. But if you're going to say something that is not nice, don't use the comment section. Alright guys, I will make sure that I see you in my next one because that is my job basically. I love you. Bye.